Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Kotak 811 account and KYC status, because the checkbook request links to verified identity. Once confirmed, open the app and go to Services or Checkbook Request. Tap it now. Make sure your registered mobile number is active to receive OTP. Enter OTP promptly to avoid timeouts. Choose the number of leaves and delivery address. Pay any nominal charges if prompted. Doing these steps immediately reduces delays and triggers the bank's processing workflow without extra back and forth. Next, focus on the order details. This is the core of the process. Choose the checkbook type and leaf count because it affects delivery size and printing, then verify the name and address exactly as printed, since corrections later take longer. Once done, review any charge and the estimated delivery window. Note the request ID for tracking. Make sure to confirm the request and save screenshots or SMS confirmation. These steps complete the order and pass it to dispatch, so accuracy matters. After confirming, track the checkbook status in the app or SMS updates, because visibility prevents missed deliveries. When the checkbook arrives, immediately inspect the cover, printed name, starting number, and unused leaves. Sign the activation register if required. If you face delays, incorrect printing, or missing leaves, escalate with customer care using the request ID and supporting screenshots. Ask for replacement dispatch or reversal of any fee. One key troubleshooting tip: insist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.